Hey guys, this is BE 2007, back with another video. Today is Neighborhood Animals 22nd anniversary, so I'm going to be doing a comparison video today over the 4 DVDs I have of it. First of all is the 2002 DVD. Here's the front, side, the back. I think this is Canadian too. Here's the disc and the parent's guide. Condition is pretty good, just a couple of minor scratches on it. Sorry about that. Next is 2003 DVD. Here's the front, side, the back. Here's the disc. Condition's a lot better this time. Next is the 2004 DVD, front, side, back. Here's the disc. Condition's pretty good. Next is this DVD that came with one of my Baby Neptune releases that I got from Amazon. It's a fake. Condition's really bad too. So yeah, that's all the Neighborhood Animals DVDs I have. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.